Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC90 and Ford Explorer crash tests. Choosing a family vehicle means prioritizing safety, and both of these popular SUVs are known for their robust designs. We will delve into their crash test results from leading organizations, examining how each performs in various impact scenarios. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of their safety strengths and which might offer more peace of mind on the road. When it comes to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, both the Volvo XC90 and Ford Explorer demonstrate impressive crashworthiness. Both vehicles consistently achieve good ratings across the board in critical tests. This includes the challenging small overlap front test for both driver and passenger sides, the moderate overlap front test, and the roof strength evaluation. These top scores indicate strong structural integrity and excellent occupant protection in a variety of collision types. Moving to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, both the Volvo XC90 and Ford Explorer earned a 5-star overall safety rating, which is the highest possible. In specific NHTSA evaluations, both SUVs achieved 5 stars in frontal crash tests and 5 stars in side impact tests. However, there is a slight difference in rollover risk. The XC90 is rated with a 17.9% chance of rollover, contributing to its 5-star rollover rating, while the Explorer received a 4-star rollover rating. Beyond crash tests, both vehicles are equipped with advanced safety features. The Ford Explorer includes Ford Co-Pilot 360, offering technologies like automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. The Volvo XC90, however, often stands out with its comprehensive safety suite, including a unique whiplash protection system and smart airbags that adjust deployment force. While both are very safe, the XC90 typically offers a slight edge in its innovative and extensive safety technologies, providing an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.